what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools.
Today we're going to take a closer look at Enterpro and see if it really deserves all the attention it's been getting lately.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
This entire app, images, videos, auth, full UI, came from one simple prompt. No coding, no setup, just an idea turned real in seconds. But is Enterpro actually that powerful? Let's find out. Welcome to Enterpro, the all-in-one platform designed to turn your ideas into fully functional digital products. With Enterpro, you're not just building websites, you're creating complete applications, powerful tools, and scalable platforms without the usual complexity. Enterpro speeds everything up with powerful templates and components. You can instantly start with a ready-made structure, then build fast using forms, auth, and dynamic sections that all work together seamlessly. No friction, just momentum. This is Enterpro. Let's see how it actually performs. I type a simple prompt, an app that transforms dreams into visuals, images, or videos. I hit enter. In seconds, Enterpro begins translating that idea into structure. I connect Supabase to handle the backend, set up the data layer, and define how everything will work behind the scenes. It asks me which models I want to use for generation, and I choose Nano Banana Pro for images and VO 3.1 for video. With those decisions in place, everything starts coming together automatically. Just a few seconds later, the first version of my app is ready. It's not overly polished or deeply creative yet, but it's solid, a working starting point. I get a homepage, a features section, a pricing page, and a functional workspace where users can actually interact with the product. The structure is there, the logic is connected, and the foundation is built. Instead of spending days setting things up, I'm already looking at a usable product that I can refine, improve, and expand. That's the real power of Enterpro. It takes you from idea to something real, almost instantly. Then I test the app. I type a simple dream and wait a few seconds. The app generates an image using Nano Banana Pro. Fast, smooth, and it works. After confirming everything works, I move into refining the visuals and shaping the overall experience. I start by adding a background image to give the app more depth and personality, then introduce smooth animations to make every interaction feel more fluid and alive. I update the logo, adjust the typography, and rewrite the headline to make it clearer and more impactful. From there, I go deeper into the details, customizing the mouse pointer, adding more images, and improving the overall look and feel of each section. Enterpro really delivers. It goes beyond expectations, creating a polished, fully working app from just an idea. Then I start adding more components to complete the experience. I include a dream gallery, a team section, and a frequently asked questions block. With a simple command, I click enter to add them to the home page, and they appear instantly. What stands out is that everything follows the same design system, the same theme, colors, and style, so nothing feels out of place. It all blends together naturally, making the app feel consistent and well put together. Next, I ask the agent to add a sign-up option, allowing users to log in via Google or Facebook, all while maintaining the same style, transparency, and design consistency. Within seconds, it's implemented flawlessly, clean, functional, and perfectly integrated. Excited by the progress, I then request a light theme to refresh the overall visuals. As the agent begins generating the new theme, an error occurs, but instead of stopping, the agent immediately identifies the problem and suggests a fix. After applying the solution, the light theme is completed smoothly, including a newly generated theme icon. This icon adds a fresh burst of design and color, giving the app a renewed aesthetic and a polished professional look. The combination of functional updates and visual enhancements makes the app feel even more complete, engaging, and ready for real users. To compare, I tried building a similar idea using Lovable. The result was decent. It generated a functional website with a clean layout and a basic structure that made sense. The core idea was there, and it provided a simple interface to interact with. But overall, it felt more like a static build, something that works but doesn't fully come alive. Then, I look back at what Enterpro created, and the difference becomes clear. Enter didn't just generate a structure, it built an experience. The animations feel smooth and intentional, giving life to every interaction. The components are not just placed, but thoughtfully integrated into a consistent design system. Everything flows together naturally, from the homepage to the workspace. Even the generation itself stands out. The images and outputs feel higher in quality, more refined, and closer to something you'd expect from a finished product. Instead of something you need to rebuild or rethink, Enter gives you something you can immediately improve and scale. It's not just about getting a result, it's about getting a strong, polished starting point that already feels real. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.